Hello everyone. So today I've come here with a very important question that many people have asked me whenever I do realistic cartoon drawing, that do they need expensive colors or markers for bringing out such nice realistic characters like I do? So my answer to that is definitely no. In this drawing I am using DOMS colors which are in the range of 100 200, and I am making almost a realistic character. Of course the details are lacking and we can add more and more details, but that's not because the markers are little less expensive. It's just because the shade range is less in these markers, but the cartoon character has turned out so nice. It's one of my most favorite cartoon characters from Disney, that is Goofy. So our drawing is ready. The next video will come on how to select proportions for your drawing and how to judge proportion for your drawing. My free hand is set now. I can draw it just without marking things, and how much space would go in which part of the body of the cartoon character is now not a matter of concern for me. So now it's time to dig in and see how I do it, which colors I use. So basically what we need is two closely knit shades of one color that we are using. So to achieve a good decent cartoon character drawing, what we need is two shades of each color. So here if I'm using an orange, I would need a little darker orange to basically highlight the creases of the clothes the Goofy character is wearing. So just like this, see, we are able to do it with just one shade darker with whichever shade we are using. So similarly, if I'm using black, I just need a gray to highlight the parts which are being lit by the light. So yeah, and here if I'm using peach, I did not have a closely knit color to peach, and it's very important to invest in a good white highlighting pen, because wherever the light hits the cartoon character, you have to highlight it with a white pen, and it's really important. So yes, it's not very difficult. I have used a little bit of crayon in his eyes. Here I'm using DOMS aqua markers and spreading them with water. Though the dissolvability or the solubility of these markers is not that great because they are not very expensive, but yes, it's not that we can't achieve nice drawings with less expensive markers. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.